The Brother 1034D Serger is the perfect addition to any sewing room. It is designed for finishing the edges and hems of a wide range of fabrics, including formal wear, linens and stretchy fabrics, and for creating ruffles and decorative edges. This reliable, easy-to-learn and use 3/4 thread serger features 22 built-in stitch functions, and snap-on, interchangeable creative feet. Stitch options include 4-thread overlock, 3-thread overlock, narrow hem, rolled hem and ribbon lock stitches. With its differential fabric feed, the 1034D helps you achieve better stitch quality for a more even professional finish even on very thin or stretchy fabrics. Threading is easy with the color-coded upper thread guides and lower looper threading system. The included snap-on presser feet allow for quick and easy changes to transition to each desired stitch. To help you get started, the 1034D comes complete with an instructional video and a printed, English and Spanish operation manual. The Brother 1034D Serger has enough features that are advanced for a professional, yet it is still simple enough for a beginner.